Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the beautiful Odessa collection. We'll be looking at all the different features and the different size configurations of this collection, so let's go take a look at that. The 28, 36, and 40-inch models each come with 2 drawers and 1 door. Embrace space with the 48-inch vanity, perfect for balancing convenience and a desire for grandeur. The 48-inch model comes with 2 drawers and 2 doors. Built to last with cool modern melamine and solid MDF panels. Yeah, we mean business. Each vanity rocks a shiny white countertop ready for your favorite faucet, including a sleek rectangular porcelain sink integrated into it. Oh, and it comes with a pop-up drain because the small details matter. And get this, the doors and drawers are all about that soft closed life. Quiet and smooth, no slamming. These vanities are also freestanding and fully assembled right out of the box, making your install job a breeze. Just place them where they fit best and admire your work. Need a hand making a choice or just looking for some solid renovations advice? Go to Golden Elite Deco. Let's make your bathroom the coziest spot in your home.